Hello, I'm your host, SpongeBob.
And I'm your host, Patrick.
And I'm Gary.
Today we will talk about ratios and proportions. What is a ratio?
A ratio can be used to solve problems and make predictions.
It is a comparison between two numbers, which means you compare two numbers.
For example, it is sometimes seen like this.
Or like this.
Or like this in a fraction form.
How do you make a ratio?
Say you have 3 hearts and 8 circles.
That would be 3 hearts.
And that would be 8 circles.
To write it, it would be like this because there are 3 hearts and 8 circles. You would be comparing 3 hearts to 8 circles.
We most commonly use ratios for cost per unit,
$10 to kilogram, like at a grocery store.
to find probability,
It'd be like a half chance you'd get heads and tails if you were using a quarter.
to size or scale,
It'd be like 2 centimeters to 1 kilometer on a map.
rates,
An example would be miles per hour.
or to compare 2 numbers.
In the picture,
In the picture, on the top left, it says buy one, get one free because you get one free for every one you buy.
so now that we know all about ratios, what is a proportion?
A proportion is when you compare 2 ratios to see if they are proportion. If the ratios are not equal, then it is not proportion. It is only proportion if they are equal.
Okay, let's pick 2 ratios to see if they're proportion. So 2/3 is equal to 6/9. Let's see if it's a proportion. We will cross multiply to double check. So 3 times 6 is 18, and 2 times 9 is 18. The numbers are the same, so it is a proportion.
Let's try another. 2 6 to 5 ninths. 3 times 5 equals
6 times 5 equals 30. And 9 times 2 equals 18.
The numbers are not equal, so it's not a proportion.
To find a missing proportion means to find one of the missing numbers in a proportion.
For example, if you have 1/3 equals n 45ths, we'll use n to represent the missing number. Cross multiply. 3 times n, 45 times 1. 3 times n equals 3n, and 45 times 1 equals 45. What is the greatest common factor for the 2 numbers? It is 3. Divide by the greatest common factor. 3n divided by 3 equals n, and 45 divided by 3 equals 15. So n equals 15.
Now you know all about ratios and proportions. Thanks for watching.